exploring the meaning of busy area in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase, busy area. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can really help you in daily conversations. So, let's dive in. Busy area is a phrase that describes a location with a lot of activity. This activity can be due to people, traffic, or a combination of both. The key feature of a busy area is that it's full of life and movement. For instance, city centers, marketplaces, and train stations are often busy areas. To understand better, let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. I live in a busy area of the city, so there's always noise. 2. During the festival, even the quietest streets turn into busy areas. 3. Tourists usually love exploring the busy areas for an authentic experience. By using it in different contexts, you can see how versatile this phrase is. Busy area can have different implications based on the context. 1. Urban versus rural. In cities, a busy area might mean crowded streets and lots of shops. In rural areas, a busy area could be a bustling market day. 2. Time of day. The busyness can vary. A business district is busiest during office hours, while entertainment areas buzz at night. 3. Cultural significance. During festivals or special events, areas that are usually quiet can become temporarily busy. Understanding these contexts helps in comprehending the dynamic nature of busy areas. To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms. Bustling hub, crowded place, hive of activity, lively area. Using different terms can add variety to your conversations or writing. I hope this video helps you understand what busy area means and how to use it in your daily English. Remember, exploring phrases like this is a great way to enrich your understanding of the language. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos. Happy learning!